Jerry Mendoza to. Kumusta kayo lahat dyan? Magluluto tayo ngayon ng Pochero pata ng baboy. Okay, let's do it. I'll show you the all ingredients. Sana ay magustuhan nyo ito. Okay, yan ang mga ingredients ko. Meron akong sausage, banana, at potato, onion, garlic, bay leaves, patis, black pepper, and pechay, and string beans, and tomato sauce. So, yan ang aking mga ingredients. So, let's start cooking now. So, yan, pinakita ko sa inyo ang aking mga ingredients. At magluto na tayo. Let's go. Yan, nag-preheat na ako ng kaldero. Let's put the cooking oil. I use the olive oil for cooking. So, yan, mag-gisa na tayo ng bawang at sibuyas. Na-preheat ko pala yung pork pata ko, na yung pata ay na palambot ko na ng 1 hour and 30 minutes. It depends kung gaano ka-tender yung gusto nyo. Pero sa akin, na palambot ko siya ng 1 hour and a half. So, na-ready ko na siya. So, pinakuluan ko lang siya sa tubig at saka sa konting asin at salt and naglagay ako ng slice ginger para hindi siya masyadong malansa. So, pinalambot ko na siya to make it ready dito sa puchero ko. Yan, ginisa na natin ang onion and garlic. Okay. As you can see, haluin nyo lang siya para mag golden brown siya. Habang hinahalo nyo yan. Mas malasa kasi pag hinahalo nyo. Pero nasa sa inyo na yon kung anong gusto nyong paghalo. Ay lagay na natin ng kamatis. So, marami akong nilagay para mas malasa. Nasa sa inyo din kung gusto nyo tanggalin ang buto. Sa akin, hindi ko na tinanggal. Gusto ko kasi mas magkatas yung kamatis sa pagluluto ko. And then, give it like 2 minutes, just saute it para mas malasa siya. Ganyan ginagawa ko kasi the more na namimix nyo siya ay naglalasa siya ng kamatis. Yan, see? Now it's yan, mas masarap siya pag susute ng maigi. Okay? Yeah, keep it like a seconds. It's very hot now, so just keep it sauteing my onion, garlic, and tomato. Pressed tomato. I use pressed tomato. So let's put the pata. Yeah, pinalambot ko na yung pata ko. Kasi putcherong pata ang gagawin natin. Yan, malambot na siya. Tapos yung pinagkuluan niya, ayun ang gagawin natin yung broth. Salain nyo lang siya at itabi ang inyong broth. Huwag nyo siyang itapon yung pinagpakuluan nyo. Pag nagpakulo kayo ng pata, ay yung unang kulo ay itapon nyo para hindi siya malansa. Tapos yung pangalawang kulo, yun ang gagamitin nating broth. I don't know sa inyo, some people are putting like beef cubes and some beef broth, but dito sa Amerika hindi na. So lagyan natin siya ng salt and pepper, a little bit. Hindi ako masyado naglalagay ng asin kasi gagamit tayo ng patis dito. So tingnan nyo, see, I'll put a little bit of pepper just to taste. Okay. And then the patis. Yeah. Patis is fish sauce. So, yeah, I didn't put the salt pala kasi I'm using patis for my taste. And I have a garlic powder. Since na marami ditong garlic powder, yun ang gagamitin natin. Yeah, garlic powder. So, according to your taste, more on garlic. Mas masarap ang maraming garlic para sa akin. At very healthy pa. Ang garlic is one of the spices that cure some illness. So palagi nyo lagyan siya ng maraming, mas gusto ko maraming garlic, mas malasa siya. Yes, and according to your taste, just put more salt or patis. Okay. Yan, gawin natin siyang more golden brown, and then lagay natin yung tomato sauce. Siguro ito mga mga uh, mga 4 grams, 5 grams of tomato sauce. Hindi na kayo maglalagay ng maraming tomato sauce kasi maraming kamatis ang ginamit ko. So it depends. Kung gusto niyo konting kamatis, damihan niyo yung tomato sauce niyo. So in my case, konti lang tomato sauce ko kasi marami akong ginamit na kamatis. See, it look tasty and more taste. Kumapit na yung mga ingredients doon sa baboy na ginawa natin. Yeah, karami. Ayan, this is my broth na pinapakuluan ng 2 beses. So lagay lang natin siya. Yeah. Tapos konting tubig. Lagyan natin ng tubig, hot water. I have ready the hot water. To make more sauce or soup. So I'll put my bay leaf just to make it more flavor and more aroma and more smell. The bay leaves give you more aromatic flavor of the taste too. So let's put some hot water. Yeah, let's put some. See, I put some hot water. Yeah. And if you want more sauce or soup, you can add more hot water according to taste. Just put some salt or patis. It depends on your taste, and cover. So preheat na tayo ng frying pan para sa patatas. I like to fry my patatas before I put it in to mix it to my pochero. So fry it for like 10 minutes both side, and fry it also the chorizo or sausage. So you can put any sausage, what kind of sausage you want, just for the taste. Just fry it for a while and then mix it. Now it's almost ready yung ating lagyan natin ng konting brown sugar para mag-equal ang taste. So it depends how much sugar you like to put, but I'm putting a little sugar just to control the taste. Yes, I fry my potato and sausage. So now it's ready. Let's put it there inside now. So let's mix it there to the pochero now. Yeah, it's almost ready. So just put it there. Yeah. So and then we're gonna boil the potato again because so just give it like 10 minutes for the potato to be tender, and then we'll put the another vegetable on it. Yeah. Okay, so that's it now. Now it's almost ready. Now let's boil the potato. I boil it for like 10 minutes. Then I put my string beans and keep it boiling again for another 10 minutes just to make the taste. Yeah, for another 10 minutes. So that's it. Yeah. So this is my banana. So I just fry it a little bit. So I like my banana to be fried a little bit. So it get more taste. Yeah. So as soon I'll fry it more, and then my pochero is ready. And yeah, it's ready. So let's put the pechay. Yeah, I got my pechay. You don't have to boil more because you want a crispy vegetable, you know. So when you put uh, the pechay, it's gonna be more crispy, and you'll see. And then let's put the pechay and let it boil, and then let's put the banana inside. See? Yeah, you don't have to boil it more because it's already cooked. So, thanks for watching. Sana ay magustuhan nyo itong aking Pochero pata. Hope you will like it, and I'll see you sa next video ko. At salamat, at this is Jerry Mendoza, and I'll see you again on my next video. Thank you very much. Yummy! Sarap! Kain na tayo!